Guess who's back? Back again. So this is day 5 of the Python programming challenge. Day 5 out of 100. We have 95 days to go. Today we would be building a simple project. I'm sure you would like it. Now to the screen. Welcome to day 5 of our Python programming. So we've talked about print statement, we've talked about input, we talked about while loop, we talked about if statement. So today I decided that let's have a short project that encompasses that. Is that the right word? Encompass that as all that. So this will be a simple number guessing game where we want the program to randomly select a number between 1 and 100, and we have to guess the number. And then we want to be able to get feedback that maybe the number we guessed is too low or it's too high, so we can guess again, and then it goes on and on and on and on. So we finally get the value, and then it lets us know how many attempts it took for us to get the value. So the first thing that we have to do is to import random, because we do want to use random number. And then we now have to define some variables. The first variable is on the range of our random numbers, and then the number of attempts. So we have random.round8. We want to have random number between 1 and 100. And then we're defining our attempt as 0. This is our initial attempt, and then we would increase the counter every time there is an attempt. So then we'll use our while loop. So while loop, we spoke about while loop on day 3. So check it out. So while this is true, why do I have so many spaces? While this is true, then we want to get the input from the user. We want the user to be able to enter the input. So we'll define our variable guess. So we want them to guess between number 1 and 100. And then we want to increase the counter. So every time they guess, the counter increases by 1. And then we want to now have if statement. So if the guess is then greater than the number, then we want to say that our number is too high. If it is less than the number, if it's too, if what am I saying? If the guess is greater than the random number, then we'll have to say it is too high. And then if it is less than the random number, we'll say it is too low. And then if it is equal to the random number, then we'll say that yes, that is correct. So I was right initially. So this is the simple code. We are importing random, where the program is going to choose a random number from 1 to 100. And then our attempt starts at 0. We input a number, and then the counter for our attempt continues to increase based on how many times we have to guess the number. If the guess is less than the number, we get the message that it is too low. If it is greater than the number, then it's too high. And then finally, when we get it, we see that we've gotten the number. So now let's run it. So guess a number between, this will be different every time because it's getting the random number every time. And there's no how to know the number until you get it. So let's start with 67, too low. 79, too low. 89, 98, too high. Then 87, too low. 89, too low. Then 93, too high. Then 92, too high. Then 91, too high. Then 90. Oh, we got it. So the number is 90. So we guessed it in 9 attempts. This is a fun game. So while this is true, then you enter the number, increase the attempt, and then if it's greater than the number, you get that it's too high. If it's less than the number, you get that it's too low. And then when you get it, you get that you got the number. So the number was 90. So this is how to build a simple number guessing game. So try it out. As always, the notebook will be available in my GitHub. Click the link in the description and let me know if you'll try out this game. That's it for this video. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, to share, and to leave a comment. And the link to the notebook that we worked on is available in my GitHub. Link is in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you tomorrow.